Welcome back, and now news from sports. I-League clubs have declared that they will not take anything lying down henceforth. The clubs together formed a body called Indian Professional Football Clubs Association sometime back to press on their demand of making the I-League a separate entity. The All India Football Federation is yet to reply to this demand. Now the IPFCA has hardened their stance and has also told the A.I.F.F to follow A.F.C guidelines as well, instead of making clubs meet the expensive licensing criteria.
The I-League club's representatives met for discussion in Vasco on Saturday and later put up a united front to brief the media about their problems.
We had a very fruitful meeting with a lot of decisions taken. We have already declared our registration of the IPFCA standard players contract, and we have also talked about members of the all ID club to be taken into even second division members. They will be there in the second tier. There is going to be for A tier and B tier.
First of all, they have released a calendar. We want that calendar should be, before releasing, they should have discussed with us. So we are telling them that they should discuss with us and they make a new calendar. And regarding the camps, there are 2 camps as per the calendar. We are telling that we are ready to release the players in the camps, but that should be as per the FIFA regulations. And number 3, that we have discussed with them in the month of March regarding February, regarding to become I-League a separate entity.
Clubs have fulfilled all criteria, barring one, is that we've not signed a national club licensing criteria. That is the only criteria that we've not fulfilled. The member association, they've added it already. But the member association has not fulfilled any criteria. So are they telling me that the member association is exempt by everything, but the clubs will not be exempt by one criteria which has been added on this year? If that is the case, they can write to us to that effect. Secondly, there is no, I mean, at this point there are various bigger issues that, like, for a club to play the A.F.C Cup, okay, one of the regulations state that the I-League committee should be the highest decision-making body of the league. That means the A.I.F.F Exco cannot decide various matters regarding to the league, but that's not being followed either. So there are a lot of changes and improvements that need to be done and fulfilled by the member association.
Committee which is selected of this get-together of the clubs here, precisely to improve matters with the I.F.F. We have a lot of respect for the All India Football Federation, but there are certain things which have not been working. So we clubs together want to put certain views to them. We don't want to start anything apart from the federation. We respect the federation, but we want to have good relationship between the federation. So there has to be a good coordination between the clubs and the federation. That's the reason we have got together to put our views to the federation for the betterment of football in India.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
First steps to merge warring hockey fractions in Goa have been taken. Friday's hearing summoned by the Sports Authority of Goa saw Association for Control of Hockey and Goans Hockey come together to hammer out a solution. ACHG have raised question marks on Goan Hockey's status as a legitimate association. However, SAG's Executive Director Elvis Gomes told Prudent, at present, SAG's and Goa Olympic Association's affiliation lies with Goans Hockey. Gomes told Prudent the stalemate is on. Of course, a logical solution will be out only in 10 days' time.
On Friday, Sports Authority of Goa met with the representatives of hockey to sort out what is a long-time feud. But Secretary of Goans Hockey, Farrell Furtado, has cleared that the erstwhile women's swing has merged with Goans Hockey.
Goa Women's Hockey Association, that was represented by me, and the Men's Association came together for that common meeting where SAG was there, Goa Olympic Association was there, and elections were held in that meeting. And subsequently, Goa Olympic Association recognized Goans Hockey as the sole body to control hockey in Goa. Subsequently, we got a affiliation to Hockey India that governs hockey in the center for the state country. So I have given my presumption that Goans Hockey is the legal body that controls hockey in Goa.
For us, the issue was the recognition being sought by the one faction, that is Association for Control of Hockey, and we had to put the others to notice why their case should not be considered. So in response to that show cause notice, they appeared before me and made their respective submissions. So we have taken note of that. So further decision will be taken on the basis of what they have submitted to us. But the Chief Minister is keen, because this is not just a case with hockey. There are a few other associations which are feuding. Yeah. And the Chief Minister has told me to see and resolve how in the best possible manner. The policy, as I said earlier, is one sport, one association.
ACHG's President Sigmund D'Souza says ACHG should get recognition from SAG.
In the meeting, we stood by our stated position, saying that we are the only legal body that can get grants from the government, because the Indian Hockey Federation is a recognized national sports federation holding recognition from the Ministry of Sports. While as we said, the other body, that's Goans Hockey, belongs to Hockey India, which has declared itself in the High Court in Delhi as a private body, and that position has not changed.
Goans Hockey Treasurer Dexter Pereira says Goans Hockey are the legal association and ACHG are welcome to join in to Goans Hockey as individual members.
Do you see a merger possible with you?
It is possible. We welcome any merger. If they want to join us, we'll be having an election very soon. Our term is a 4-year term. We'll be having an election very soon. They are welcome to join us. There is no problem. Let's have an election process.
From your Goans Hockey, it's that you're ready for a merger.
Merger
with ACHG.
We are not. It is not exactly a merger, Nikhil. It is more if they can join, because we have already have the recognition from the parent bodies. Okay, so merger in the sense, yes, we can come together. Merger, I'm talking about an election. So join the election process when I think we welcome them as members.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Savio Dias and video journalists Dinesh Karpe and Prajot Pednikar.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.